in 2014, going back 2 years ago, whereas I was not meditating at all at that time, my life basically was falling apart at a certain point. And one night I was so down, I felt like I don't know where to start, what to do to just put the pieces together again in my life. So I put the meditation of Dr. Dispenza, Water Rising. At that time, I had only that one meditation from him. My body didn't want to sit, and my back hurt, my leg hurt, but I was in such a bad situation in my life and rock bottom that I felt like, you know what, you got to sit down with me. You have no choice. You have to sit down right now. All of a sudden, I felt like something gently pushed me. And the depth was here, but now it's way back in front of my eyes, as if something opened up. And I am seeing the whole galaxy under my feet. I mean, I'm flying around it. And there was so much love, so much trust in that moment, in that trip that I had in the other realm, if I want to call it realm, that I just were in awe. When I came back from the meditation, I was not in my position that I started it, sitting on the ground, crossing legs. That was not the case. I was on my knees, my hands were toward the sky, and my face were totally filled with tears, and none of these, I felt it. All I felt was love and trust, and that I'm gonna be okay, and that I can find my way through everything. And since then, I started on and on meditating until June 2017. And then I went to Dr. Dispenza workshop, progressive workshop, and I said, you know what, I want to go there to just get hooked. Sure enough, I got hooked, and I'm doing meditation 1 hour a day now. And oh wow, I cannot tell you how many mystical experiences I have had during this past 3 months. Have I ever believed in angel in the past? No. Did I see an angel? Yes. These things never happened before to me. I never even were aware of existence of any sort of energy or any sort of a, angel. So one day I was just walking through the street and I see this round circle starts as an energy look, very bright white, and a golden line around it, and I'm like, what is that? So as I'm looking at it, very surprised, it turns to a rainbow. It arches like rainbow right in front of me, not in the sky, in front of me. And I'm like, well, wait a second, am I hallucinating? So I close my eyes, I open my eyes, and it's just, all I see, it's left a featherish look, cloudy featherish look between the trees. So I'm walking, and I took it very casually. Oh, well, I talked myself out of it that, nah, maybe I hallucinated. It was a day that I had a very profound experience in my meditation. So as I'm walking up front, I see the sky and the same sphere shaped in the sky, and then shape a neck, and then shape a long dress, white, and I'm like, what is that? So I'm checking myself, am I hallucinating? So I hold on to my eyes, I look at it, it's still there. And I say, all of a sudden jumps at me, is that an angel? I never believed in an angel in the past. I never was a religious person to believe in any of that. So, and then as I'm checking myself, I look at it and in my head I say, but I thought angels have wings. Where's the wings? So it opens up its wings and it starts flying around. And it was with me for 10 minutes in the sky, and very playful, going back and forth, sometimes shooting itself this way and leaving only a cloudy look. The sky, there was no cloud in the sky, it was a blue sky. All I have to say is that, number one, thank you to Dr. Joe and all the staff that providing these workshops and really opening up people's mind and heart through what is there that you never knew it's there. So number two, if you are meditating another day, I have to say you are up for a wild ride to divine.